For today's project, we'll be making fall-inspired earrings. So to make them, we have 2 bent nose pliers, we have 1 wire cutter, and we have 1 pair of round nose pliers. For the earrings themselves, we have sterling silver fish hooks, 2 large orange beads, 2 head pins, and 4 small silver beads. To start the earrings, we take the head pin with the ball end and we feed a tiny silver bead through it so it sits on the bottom of the earring. We then place the large orange bead on and then another silver bead so that the large orange bead is sandwiched between the 2 silver beads. So now we'll want to make a loop at the top. We'll take our round nose pliers and we'll just turn the wire away from us at about a 90-degree angle. We'll then take the wire and loop it around the round part of the pliers. This will create a loop. So the excess wire will be sticking away from us. We'll then take our bent nose pliers and secure the loop with one of them. And they take the other pair of bent nose pliers and wrap the excess wire around the bead about 3 to 4 times to secure it in place. And then we'll take the wire cutter and cut the excess wire off the bead. So once that's done, we have our first decorative piece. So that we'll just repeat those steps. Again, feed the small silver bead first, and then the large orange bead, and then lastly another silver bead onto the head pin. Take our round nose pliers and create the loop at the top. And then our bent nose pliers to secure the loop, wrap it around a few times with the wire and cut the excess wire off. So once these are finished, we are more than halfway done with our earrings. So we take our fish hook ear wire, and these are nice. There are 3 balls at the end of this ear wire. They're not only decorative, but they're useful as you don't really need pliers to open up the loop. You can just use your fingernail. So we just feed one of the bead decorations through until it sits in the loop of the ear wire, and then we can just quickly push the ear wire loop closed. And we'll repeat those steps for the second earring. And a very simple push to close that. And now we have the perfect pair of fall earrings. Thank you for watching.